Silva, and today I'm going to race my Honda Civic versus this GTR. So let's hop into today's video. Dude, that's crazy. You didn't move your mouth and you said that whole thing.
If I lose, I'm going to have to turn up the boost really high.
And then...
smoke everywhere.
What's under your car?
K20 swap, fully built. LS transmission.
What's under your car?
4 bolt-ons, flex fuel, ported manifold.
Where did you get this car?
Florida. I won it. 70 bucks.
This man won this car for 70 bucks. If that doesn't trigger you, we're gonna go take these cars out somewhere over here in Mexico. Somewhere over here in Mexico. And then we are gonna see out of these 2 cars which will win. So let's head over there. Tell me how you feel right now.
Kind of nervous right now. Nothing else really matters. That adrenaline rush is crazy. You just like, it feels good, but like you're scared at the same time.
Maybe pull for the viewers. About to get lined up right now.
Yeah, are you counting or what? Are you counting?
Yeah, here we go, pull number 2, baby.
Time to get more boost and do it again, boys. See what goes on.
That's exactly what I said. I said that was fun. Look at that purple and you can't even really oh no, now you can start to see it. Get that a little lighter. You can start to see the purple and gold, not blue. What am I thinking? Let us know down in the comments what you guys thought of that race. Don't forget to hit the like button. Let these guys know that you appreciate them coming out to make today's video. And until then, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Oh man, done messed that one up. Taking the 14 wides off-road, done messed up. Now you gotta go wash that truck.
Yeah.